Hello guys, what's up and welcome to the new tutorial from the SketchUpArchStudio. In this tutorial we will talk about rendering in Enscape for SketchUp. So without any wasting of time, let's get to work. This is my environment and I can walk on it very simple and easy. We have some modern kitchen woody design in here with some simple details like that and this tiny flexible carpet in here. So I'm gonna start my job with pressing F and selecting my camera number 1 in here and close view management. So I'm going to click on the save frame. My frame is the full HD. You can change it very simple and easy. If you want some custom frame in here, you can click on the custom and add your own resolution, but I need full HD in here right now. I'm going to click on the main bar, move the main bar in here, and start my job with the field of view. So I'm going to reduce the field of view to focus more on my job. I think some number about 61 can be acceptable. And about the exposure, I need some exposure about 54%, something like that. About these lights in here, you only need to click on one of them. Click on the Enscape objects in here and select one of them from my computer or desktop. It's completely simple, don't have any special point in here. I'm gonna come back to the Enscape in this place, continue my job with the visual setting, but before I do this job I need to relight my area. So for this reason I'm gonna change the field of view to the 63, and in here I'm gonna click on the SketchUp, click on the Enscape material editor, and I can manage my material. So I'm going to click on the start Enscape another time. Accidentally I close it. So it takes a little bit time. Some unimportant message. Just click on the OK. And as you can see, when I look to the roof in here, I'm going to click on the Enscape material editor. Click on the white and change it to the self-illuminate. Now we have some hidden light in here. Reducing the number of the lumens to the 3600 candela. My color is the Abisco and the main color is the Abisco 2. So I'm going to close it in here, press F, camera number 1, and now I can maximize the Enscape in this place. So I'm going to click on the visual setting in here and turn on the depth of field, turn off the autofocus, and play with the focal point. I want to focus on this place. So look at this shiny line in my environment. When I change it to this part of my job, some number about 5.96, and depth of field is about 16%. Outline is about 6%, and rendering quality will be increased to the ultra because I need super realistic rendering. So I'm going to click on the image bar in here, use the auto contrast for the lighting, and I can see another part of my job very simple and easy with only orbiting in my environment, something like that. And I need a little bit saturation, so 103% is good, and color temperature can be decreased to the 6000 Kelvin. Motion blur not really useful because it's useful in videos. Bloom option is not really useful, but lens flare can be really effective in our job. I prefer to use 24%. Vignette can be increased to the 44 for better dark effect in my image rendering, and chromatic aberration is 6%. In the atmosphere, I need to turn off the sun brightness for better GI calculation. Night sky is about 110% because it's not really totally night. It's something like the maybe sunset, last time of the evening, something like that. And shadow sharpness will be decreased to the 22% because in interior renders you need some soft shadows. So artificial light brightness will be increased to the 102, and ambient brightness related to some areas which are not really seen in our rendering or lighting. For example, these edges. So I prefer to use some number about 66. Ambient brightness in Enscape work as a hyperlight in Lumia. So I will come to the sky. All the cloud setting is turned off with the 0 parameter. Output is check. I can change it to the Ultra HD. And I think everything is done right now. So I'm gonna press F, camera number 1, and everything is done. So I will minimize the Enscape at the right side, click on the Enscape material editor another time, and I think in this place wood cavern related to my floors. So I'm gonna change the parameters of it. I need more reflection, so I will reduce the roughness 4.6 and Metallica is about 5.6. Now it's much better. If you want to control the power of these lights in here, you only need to close the Enscape material editor, click on one of them, Enscape objects, and reduce the power of it to the 100. Something like that can be acceptable. Maybe 166 is better. So I'm going to close it in here, deselect it, camera number 1, and everything is good. So time for the rendering. I'm going to click on the maximizing Enscape in here, and I'm going to select the screenshot in this place. You have two ways for rendering. First way is that, and second way related to batch rendering. When I click on the batch rendering, I can select my camera and click on the render images, and it will show me, for example, some place for saving this file. For example, I'm going to create new folder called renders, open it, and you sometimes only need to select it, open it, and my rendering is camera 1. So I'm going to press save. It takes a little bit time, and after that render will be done for us. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support. If you like this content and video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.